Okay, so now we want to reuse it in search request. Okay, so that's probably going to be just about as quick. But now there's an issue here. I don't actually know what field it goes in. I assume it's, you go in authorization and you go bearer token, and for the token, I guess I could put, did I start? I hope I started the clock. Yeah, I did. So I'm going to just try something. I like to just try something because shot in the dark, right, before I have to go load the access token. Is that not right? Authorization HTTP header. So if you go to HTTP header, there should be a authorization in here that's automatically set as far as there it is, authorization bearer. So getting OAuth tokens already there. The client credentials grant flow, because that's what I thought I had it as. So I don't know what happened here. Hey, look at that. Look at that. We got it. We got it. I don't know how that was different than what I was doing before. If I'm not mistaken, I was in here. I had bearer token. It says unresolved because I didn't spell it right. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But even so it should be working. What the heck? Oh, you know what? I think it was the syntax I was using. Syntax and misspelling. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Okay. So replacement killers apparently is what I was searching for. So let's really quickly done. We're done. Very nice. That was a toughie. That's the kind of crap it is, and like how embarrassing because because it's my fault. Like we can now reuse the variable in a search request. We've walked through this flow. 11 minutes. Okay, so we've walked through this flow. We can get an eBay auth token, right? We can save it to a Postman variable. We can reuse it in a Postman variable as an access token. You know, my first clue should have been like that this was red and it didn't show me. Like Postman is very good about, you know, walking you through what you're doing. So in any case, here we go. I'm going to rename this to search. And yeah, that worked out pretty well. It wasn't ideal, but I've had bigger issues caused by dumber things. And yeah, you see all the information you get back from eBay. You get all the, you know, category data, you get the pricing, you get the quality, you get everything about these listings, and I'm sure there's ways to manipulate this data, right? You get more of it, get less of it, sort it, filter it, whatever you want to your liking. So this is pretty good if you're going to build something based off of an eBay search, right? Which I intend to. So yeah, there we go.